Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Oh yes, my people, how you guys doing? Hello, good evening, everybody. Hello, everybody. How you guys doing? Oh, there, my people. How not day? I hope you guys are fine. I hope you guys are doing well. Please share this video, share this video, share this video. Regarding. So, my people, how not day? I hope you guys are fine. I hope you guys are doing well. This Vera television program. Yes, so I know it has been a while now. It has been a long time. It has been. Please share the video for me. Oh. So my people, I'm not there. I hope you guys are fine. I hope you guys are doing well. This Vera television program. So I know you guys enjoy my video, right? So it has been a long time, guys. I'm even gonna share my video. Share it out, please. Share it out for me, please. I'm begging, share it out for me so that we'll continue, guys. I'm not there. Oh, this phone. Say I will charge phone one off. Which kind of palava be this? Let me plug it because I don't want it to off. Hello, my people. How are you guys doing? Good evening to you, everybody. How not? I hope you guys are fine. I hope you guys are doing well, my people. So, my lovely people, I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are doing fine. Please share the video, guys. Share it. Happy weekend to you. Today is real Friday, right? Happy weekend to you, all right? Yeah, today is Friday. Yeah, today is Friday, right? Yes, of course, today is Friday. Tomorrow is Saturday. So please share this video, pull up on this video so I'm coming in. So my people, you can see my message there. You can see my topic there. It's for the Katahar, but that is the name of the lady, the criminal social worker. Her name is Katia Harbord. I wrote it there, yes. For you to know that I mean business. I'm not scared of all those motherfuckers, all those imperialism people. Because why they beat them for social media, they say every day for Tifra, one day for the owner. I wanted to let go, but they form as if say nothing they happen. Now they saga, they match their hands down. So the name of the woman that wanted to steal my children is Katia Harbord. That is what I wrote there. Katia Harbord, the Ole Pikin in Start Ansberg, right? I think that is what I wrote there. Okay, let me check. Katia Harbord, the social worker. Katia Harbord, the social worker, Ole Pikin in Start Ansberg. Yes, is the lady. So I know most of you go imagine say why they put up with useless Peter Ituna. When be say Ole Bruko and the Jeje Barre Jama wife when he put for house. I don't really know why we be say some people when they are doing evil, they pretend as if nothing they happen, they will begin they do evil. But I never meet them, they'll begin they cry. They'll give what they know if it take, they'll give it out to people. This Peter Ituna when they talk rubbish, will be criminal. You don't get shame for yourself. But I love the way I'm disgracing you. But the way me they humiliate you, Peter. Hey, I'm the happy I did disgrace you. Both woman and brother, they know you are a useless man. Yes, Peter Ituna. They now know you are the most useless human being. People when they look you before, now they know that you are a useless man. You are the most the barren German woman when you put for us when you don't born. You wanted to use it against us. Try to do evil. So they were doing all those things. They think that I did no video there or there will be no evidence. Hey. If I no video, I no go see sleep. If I no record social worker, I no go see sleep. If I no record all those standard builder people, I no go see sleep. Ansberg. I record start Ansberg from A to Z since 2021. I start recording them. I start recording there because they are evil. Evil from the highest order. When they were doing it, because Peter Tuna sent them to do it, they were not having scared of anything. They were doing it as if nothing they happen. See, I said this time around, everywhere goes spoil. Don't be safe for months. Allah, don't be say, you see me, let me know they talk so much. Until then, hell, until then, Peter Tuna, for you for this journey, you go collect shameless man. Shameless man, Peter Tuna, you go collect from my hand. I go saga it if me see you for journey, Peter Tuna. I'm going to disgrace, I'm going to put you on life. I said, me Vera, I'm going to do you waiting to make you go court. And when I see you in this journey, I send an execution anywhere for see you. I'm going to place live video on your head. Allah, thank God I've been in journey more than 10, get to 9 years plus now. Have I ever done such thing? No. I go do you waiting go make you cry. Now you're not saying they did not call you. Who be that mad people when want call me? Are they mad? Who is that mad motherfucker when want call? Hey, yeah. Now you are scared. You dey fear everything when you dey fear. You see that bogo when they fear. So just the fear, just the talk, just the call, just the plan. It's not going to work. It not go work. You see this abroad bogo, you go here when you not be safe for mad. Except you die for Germany here. As to your day, so Peter Tuna, where one woman rotting me the bone because you are already useless. Die for here. They will carry you, they will bone you because you are useless. Just be like take away, no boy. Your daughter surely say you are not a good father. I have everything. When your useless barren wife disgracing you, say you don't be better man. That one never want play record you. I want do you waiting go pain and when you will make you do something before I call play useless AK record for social media. I record how the day started humiliating you, saying you be useless man. When AK was insulting you, how you are shameless, you don't work take. Say now they pay your house rent. If I go see you, they talk to Benjamin, they talk to me, I go imagine. How many children bill do you pay? How many children hospital bill you pay one day? But my man work, feed children, pay 3 children, hospital bill, put children, pay house rent for children. How many you feed do? You leave the mother of your child. You want to go and meet a barren woman. When you told us that he used his life to do prostitution in Spain. And how she said his father's house take go club for Spain. Nobody you tell us. Are you not the one that said it? Now you talk about. We'll call the life. Surely, if I can hear this one, I will tell no say, AK go do prostitution in Spain and he sell his father has to go to club to do prostitute. He use the money to go club. I know the one that said it. So Peter Tuna, I just want to let the world know how you are useless. I thought I could be meeting. I don't know that I not get shit for how. I could be meeting. Una opuwa. See the thing say Peter Tuna na better person. Peter Tuna when is useless. When the useless the German wife they disgrace up on her. Hey. Peter Tuna they cry say the German wife they fuck up on her. I've been at that one record in 1 year. I be Peter Tuna they say the woman want poison her. Now shower, you go the fuck up and down. Abi? Now the one for talk say don't know what to happen. If how many I want talk God, how many? I think that the useless sickler when they call Kelly. When sickler, when be say na sickler that one. Oh homo, yara. That one a person. That one when be say he carry madness for you. Now he cause it to say he say Kelly put madness for your wife body. Hi Jesus. How many I want name God? How many? So let make as I the saga and I they sweet me. How Kelly take you go home. Now you should take talk and not begin. Oh no homo ni. Oh no homo yara. Oh no homo no you fear we go so die. Cause see where Peter the zoko unu. Kelly do. I say you a big Kelly yes now. I say you go take soup back. Say you be on no home. Say you are a sicker. Say you the sick. You know they pain you because your people were thinking that is a nice person. No, papa, no, papa, no, papa. You want to do better. I want to see Benjamin for how my life. See this life with this life there is hope. Now, but I don't know how that finish because Pikachu is almost close to the grave. The motherfucker bastard. You don't almost die finish. You that use your first son to you buy your first son. You carry your daughter, you pour madness on body. So when I'm looking at the end, you are coming on, you are on this social media. Peter Tuna is talking. I would imagine Peter Tuna that his first son Kingsley died. Peter Tuna said the family to open his belly to check. Made the call, not to check, to open his belly to come out some things for the pikin body. When I told you guys that Peter Tuna is a ritualist, is a ritualist, you notice how they like. If first son die, send the people, make the tear, if first son belly, make they carry all the vitamin, make they go shop up. I don't know where they carry and go, I don't they there. That's why I hear. In second pikin daughter, they mad for us today. Peter Tuna, they Jamie feeling comfortable. Peter Tuna daughter is mad in Nigeria after the lost the first son. Peter Tuna daughter is mad. That's why I told you today, no way. Peter Tuna did not care. Is that Peter Tuna went to Joy Society and said all the three children Mama Benjamin born, the way the woman born, he want use all of them for sacrifice. They go school. After they go school, finish, go spoil their life. The one we want kill, The one we want poor madness for body, go poor madness for body. So lucky say you don't see chance to do my man. So till now, Peter Tuna picking the color for us. Peter Tuna did not care to go out, take care of that girl. Peter Tuna don't even know how is very high that they eat when I beep. Peter Tuna don't care. Peter Tuna is the Jamie say ba no say haba. His daughter Grillo, her name is Grillo. Peter Tuna daughter, her name is Grillo. She's mad in Nigeria, so we are talking to it tomorrow. She demand. Who make her Peter Tuna? He joined society. He used the society against the children in Nigeria. Made the kid in the show. He be like say use the children, do sacrifice, give them. So I wonder Peter Tuna will still be talking when father is talking. When men is talking, Jamie Peter Tuna will still they talk. It's bothering me. Peter Tuna when he get money, when he say he work. Although your man wife say no work well, his daughter is mad in Nigeria, so we are talking to you guys. The condition is critical. Share this video. Peter Tuna, Oromi Maishama, his daughter is mad. Her name is Greeno. Let it go and bring eyeliner paper if they lie. If the pikin don't wear, or he take and go Sakachi or he save her. Or at the life for her, let him bring this thing. If I lie. The pikin see the mat to tomorrow. Her name is Grillo. If I like people will know, I go don't say I know the lie. You guys don't hear the record when I play. We say my daughter senior you. My daughter senior you. When I ask and say where is the daughter now? Don't you guys hear it? That is what where is what he do. Peter Tuna is a society man. That is the reason why I carry my children run away from Peter Tuna. You know why I carry my children run? One and one chibi. Two, the man of society man, they collect children, destiny and star. When you want to carry a pikin, now make another kind of children, you go the one they check inside pikin pound. You go what they use out the raw pikin brain. I pity people when they get the kitchen. You see all your children star. Peter Tuna don't exchange for your bony. You see your children star where they in pound. Peter Tuna don't exchange your children destiny. You don't collect and give the society people. No, just imagine if you guys have brain. All those useless people, decision people that is supporting him. You guys did not ask, why is it that a grandchildren will not read the same? If it is a good grandfather, he's supposed to call our house, well, they go, they carry and go come weekend, go come, they play with the children, go, they play together. Have you ever seen it? The moment I noticed this man wanted to use cloth to make my daughter to be sick, when I refuse to wear that my pikin cloth when I don't know where Peter Tuna for bringer, whether na society play the for bringer, when he vanish, I come here, I don't know. He said, me my pikin wear the cloth. He give the pikin, give my pikin. I tell you so. I said, my daughter. I tell you so. I said, my daughter is not going to wear this cloth. Did you know that they Peter Tuna begin to disturb whether I don't wear the pikin cloth? Whether me don't wear her? Why I not wear her? Why I not wear me? I tell her, I say, I want to wear my pikin. Now they pikin can't know whether they talk say, That means for a papa to dey ask whether he ready, that means whether they talk na truth. That means whether they talk na truth. He carry the clothes, spoiler, Peter Tuna spoiler. I know where my daughter. He start angry. But I mean, you know, sure say me where my pikin the cloth. He know sure say my pikin wear the clothes. Now there I call tell pikin say, you hear what they tell you? Why he not telling us that he's not sure that my daughter, he's sure say my daughter did not wear the clothes? Because he spoil it. From that time, I start running away from Peter Tuna. I carry my children run away from her. All my children run away from her. One, now wish I don't want me to give my pikin wish. Two, I don't want anything. I think execution we just need to do. I think execution we just need to be careful. Be careful, oh. If you like, you hear. If you like, you not hear. That man, now head, he gonna use until the raw picky head. He gonna use until the raw picky pan. Even there is one Igbo man one day challenge this man. Say, no, they touch my picky for heart. Igbo man that day, his son and his son was ashamed. How will you hold a little child? You dey wallow inside her. You dey wallow inside her. Is forbidden. Even in Africa, when any man, any advanced man like that touch your picky head, is abomination. You feel go swear for and someone. What you use and tell me? If it's elderly person we don't they own like that, they touch your picky, but it's not allowed. That's the reason why I carry my children run away from Peter Tuna. Peter Tuna come to greet my when I gave birth to my second daughter. Peter Tuna came. €5 he gave to my daughter was hot. I see because I don't know. I see how they give my pikin the money I collect for my pikin. Do you know that money called the hot? Money called the hot. Ask me why money the hot. Society ma Ogboni. Now the Ogboni want to cure his children short today. Ogboni. He use it your pikin stay sacrifice for Ogboni, but God no great Benjamin you no work. Now make you help. He help Benjamin. He's sending us. He send people set up against his own son because it's like who use the 3 children. They go plan something. Say he go use these 3 children for ritual because Uromi men are well to know as a ritualist people. If you know Uromi men, few of them I know they do ritual. They are like Igbo men. Now what Peter Tuna be? Peter Tuna is a ritualist. Peter Tuna na Ogboni na ritually use your pikin. He buy your first son Kingsley at the age of 29 years. His first son not supposed to be 50 years. The Peter Tuna not kill the first son shop. His first son Kingsley supposed to be 50 years now. His daughter now supposed to be 46 or 42 to 43 years now. The second one when they mad for us now. Peter Tuna is not bothered. Benjamin will stick. My mom will stick on here. He still use the Oyibo woman against her. Make the deporter not work. Make they collect. He goes join the Oyibo woman. Make they collect our children. Peter Tuna collect my children. Kinder get for good. How many years? 68,000 euro. See today Peter Tuna is running. Peter Tuna, you just say now Nigeria. Me and you go. Now let Germany. Me and you go do it. I say you go die for Germany. Just die. You die for Germany. Otherwise, me and you, Germany here, Nigeria, me and you go put body. Where if Nigeria, if it make peace or body, you call me bomb bastard. Where for you to take my children money, 68,000 euro. If you pay who I pay, now buy you go take pay. No be swear. You join that German wife there also. No problem, no, they are not the fight too. But as you join a day, join and collect our children money, just stay here, use your life, stay here. Stay here, we're just stay here. As you're there, so can I maybe they talk on social media so because when me and you, Oba Palace go hear me and you. If you enter Nigeria, me and you will go face her. And now anywhere you went, if you get peace on Nigeria, call me bomb bastard. I go drag you like a better person. Where? Yeah, I say y'all turn who do you told would you have over there? Anything don't be safe for maths. Ready go ask now. You ready when you go ask. You use here to do ask. When we don't know since then now. Since then they not go Nigeria again. You they wait for what you they wait for. Now this year you take go. Now next year you take go. Anytime you take go. All eyes on you. Ready when you go Nigeria. You ready when we are here all day here. Let me tell you. I go drag you. Oh, all eyes on you. I'm monitoring you. Well, we are in Nigeria. Well, we are here. Not be say I want you because you don't feel that. But you see that Nigeria, you don't go get peace of mind, you don't go get this of mind. Who are they fearing? Who are they here? Where? Me, I not get time to follow you talk. Not be safe for man. If you say if they make man, me they wash you ready. We are over. Use Jamie tell us. If you like, wait. You're the wait for what you the wait for. As you plan your own, now so me say I plan my own. Me, I don't know about your son. No. Ready, may you go Nigeria. Just stay here. If I hear say they go Nigeria, me I they follow you is tata. Me. If I hear say they go Nigeria, now this state they go, now next state they go. Anytime we take go, they follow you, they call Nigeria. Better wait for anything where they wait for. Forget any rubbish. And me, as far you collected my children 68,000 euros. And all eyes on you. As they go Nigeria, they follow you, they go Nigeria. You see, as you say, not collect my children money, so I go carry you go Oba Palace. I go carry you go Idore. I go carry you go Ilaje. I go drag you like better past my neighbor. And if you not join Star Transbank and your German wife do us evil, I'm going to this one they give you for Germany. So this one a premium one. The one me go drag you for Nigeria. Now you go worst. Peter more better. Let's bet it. If I hear say you go Nigeria, now this year you go, now next year you go, now next 2 years you go, I dey wash you ready, may you go Nigeria. Ready, may you go Nigeria. All eyes on you. You ready? No be safe for math. I go summon you to pay my children money. I dey let you they know. Even if now this year and next year, you ready go Nigeria. Ready, may you they go. Just the plan with you, the plan. You know work. Before you plan your own, me, I don't plan my own. As far not be let your pikin born those children. You have the guts and the mind to take my children money, 68,000 euros. No, we better will make Nigeria bearable for your head. Not before killing you, because you don't feel that. I go drag you for all the juju within Nigeria. You see that Obedu, this way go build us. I know the place. I go call there. I go call humiliate your life. No, better. If I hear say you go Nigeria, they call Nigeria with you. If I like that make I bend. As you they go, as they enter this, and they buy ticket, they follow you. If you say I like better, I go tell you say I not be Asian woman when you want to play. If I hear say you enter Nigeria, now this year they go, now next year they go, I don't ready nothing 3 years grant for grant. The moment is when I know you take my children money, I ready wait for you. I dey look you. Yeah, you see at also. I go drag you for Oba Palace. I go drag you for Ilaja. I go drag you for Idore. I go drag you. You see that your parents built the second that house where they build now. And they come Obedu too. Where that parents build that, I know. And they come there. And they come tell your Obedu people, video them for life. Tell the world how you take useless. I go do you to an extent. She say you want carry mopo, you want carry soldier, you want carry this. No problem. The shall say. That's the reason why I'm doing my video now. Telling the world what you do. Make them not say, Vera, you not talking. Good afternoon, ma'am. You are welcome. Everybody will know me. Since I've been in Germany, I've never talked to you. I've never bring you out to talk. But this one, on and well now. Ready, go Nigeria. Ready, go Nigeria, Peter. Peter, you ready? Go Nigeria. As you they go, they follow you. As you they go Nigeria, Peter, I they follow you. No worry. I they follow you. So that you go swear for Oba Palace. You go swear for Ilaje. Now 3 or 4 juju paper now go brief for you. 3 to 4 juju paper. You go no say I not be Asian woman. Me, I not be your sister. Oh. I not be Asian woman. Oh. I not be you Romeo. I be pure Bini. Partly Ijo. I go make you crazy. So where I mean the bomb man. A bomb man where I mean. Me, I don't ready my taste on ground. Me, I dey wait for you. When my fear don't let you go as a Gabby. Since when you tell us say we get a bill, get everything, how many baggage in Nigeria after mafia? You dey wait for anything. Forget level, no level. Even not this year. Now next year, go mark my word. Me, are they ready? I say they prepare the way for what you they wait for. When you talk today, me say I don't prepare. I don't prepare past that one. You all know whether I go come I no go come or 1 or 2 you go see. You go see her because I never see where grandfather will be so useless and heartless. Because Asian people now quiet, say they don't know what me they talk about. I go use you sweet grants. I go drag you for the juju house. Where you say you know people. I don't know people. But when the time reach people when you know, you'll bring the art. And the people Coco tell me that they send you to collect our money when you there abroad. Now we go do and now you they run. Let me they do all those videos for ground. Till today Peter Tuna is running. Peter Tuna said he not collect money. Peter Tuna come outside now. Peter Tuna they run. So now maybe they do my video for ground now. Make the world will not say I'm not here. Because make the people say I'm not here. Why you not talk when you did Germany? Why you not talk when you there abroad? When you there, why you not why you come go Nigeria before you go the talker? I the talker now. You can't tired of waiting. Peter Tuna do to me and he picky and my children and your grandchildren. So that if I start to deal with him, nobody will tell me say Vera you are wicked. He am me message. Uma who am me no who there. Right? They fear to go Nigeria now. Now you dey lie. Now so now so this, now so that, now so Jama say me not go as me God punish you. Now so Jama say me not go as, now so Jama say they hold the money. If na next year they pay and finish, if na next 2 years they take release you, if na next 3 years mark this video, go and save it and mark it. Anytime we take the deal, they go Nigeria. Now I make you block your picking, no problem. You go see say kaki no be leather. Where? I said to why you Germany, use this Germany as you use your German wife, use that they do us. If now, now this year you buy ticket, anytime you buy ticket, they follow you come Nigeria. Maybe waiting Nigeria. If now still next year, now next 2 years, Peter Tuna, and they follow you. Problem nothing. As I they follow you, me say you they go about palace. You they go in Laje, you they go in Dore. You go swear. You take or you not take. Okay? Because now, you are running. You did not take it, but you are running. You not take now Peter Tuna they run. Peter Tuna say not take money. But Bona Emmy ask Peter Tuna, wait till make Peter Tuna they run. Peter Tuna tell us say he not take money, but Peter Tuna is running. She not take, he not take, but they run. Who say he not take money? They are evil too much. Yes, now. I think Peter wanted the white social worker to take your children and sell it to Nigeria and get her on and also. Of course, it's the one that said that now. Peter Tuna. Now he said they made a carry our children enemy. Now I make you see Peter pension since 2022. Peter did not go home. Peter is waiting for children to teach. Now maybe they tell the worldwide. Mona yeah. Peter did not go. Peter is waiting for children to teach. Peter. Now no where? You go see him. You don't say you hide your pikin. Me, I go do waiting, go make you so you will go report me for court. You go court, you will come sue me. Peter Tuna, I go make Jamie unbearable for you. I go make Nigeria unbearable for you. Cut my video, take it to court. Yes. I go and tell them who is this woman? Is the woman that gave birth to your children, to your child, your own son. I want the court to notice me and you. Because you use your German wife to take our 68,000 euro. At the time the world now made them hear. Now maybe they do it for Facebook. Because Facebook video no they come out. TikTok video they come out. Now maybe any important thing when I want to talk, I can't talk here. I'll be saying this is June, early June till now. Peter Tuna is running. So that tomorrow when God they punish Peter. When me and Peter they go to truth and they drag and better pass my neighbor. Nobody go tell me say what I do. I they wait for Peter. Peter ready to go Nigeria. They follow Peter. Peter, if they get anything they tell you for anywhere, just take and put that one for hands. If you they go out this year, I they follow you. If you they go out next year, I they follow you. You go nowhere down, I go come and no come. I know everything when they join they plan. You no go walk. I saw with me. I don't know say you don't join the collect my picking money. I ready. As if now this year you come, I they follow you. If now next year, just the wait. I know what you they wait for. Just the wait. Now waiting they tell you abi. You just say all those one. Hey yeah, mumu. Every you be fool. You don't know see that way else of it they look. We just they gather everything for and make complete. You just say those your madness when they do. Just sit down. If you don't give my children money, me, I go bed the two. I know where you build house. I go there. You never know me, oh. Peter Tuna. I'm going to where you build the new house where they build now. I'm coming there. I'm coming there. I want to see the president and the governor. When you call for grant, wait for me. That is the reason why I'm doing the video, so that the world will not say, oh, Vera, when did this happen? You are lying. May they not say, Vera, you lie. May nobody can say, when you not talk assist, now you they talk. Sure, I don't talk this in us is June. Okay. Peter, I tuna ready, may you go ask now. Go tell Jama police and so I talk. Go tell anybody. Go tell cousin and so I talk. Yes. Why are they wait for you for Nigeria? You are running because you marry a Jama woman. You don't want to come outside to come and give me my children money. And you said you are not the one that take it. Okay, let's go and verify. You are running. Why I'm going to follow you down to Nigeria is because I will summon you. I will drag you in our upper palace. I will drag you in Inlaw. I will drag you in Dore. And I will see carry you go Calabar, Akwa Ibom. I'll carry you go there. I'll summon you from 4 to 5 places. And everything will be on her on social media. Yes. I will make life unbearable for you. Until you come aside to say, to swear. Because now, let's go now. Peter Tuna don't want to go. Peter Tuna don't want to go and say, and say that when he take her, because he knows say they collect the money. Hey. Peter Tuna knows say they collect the money. That one for sure. Peter Tuna knows say they collect the money. Too much of everything is bad. What are you telling me? Peter Tuna knows say he collect the money. While Peter Tuna is running, those Isha people they say, he not go fee. Okay, Mona call Peter Tuna to come outside, make we go. Why Peter Tuna they run? I don't understand. Is that somebody, my man accused me now, say, yes, they say you go collect money, you're not supposed to collect. And I not collect. Maybe they don't do research. They don't give us some expert to say, now true, now so person collect this money. And it got to us, okay, they say now my name is Tuna. For example, now I mean the beer. Now I mean the teller. Now I see for them. What I need to do, I know say I the beer Tuna. Okay, maybe not be me collector. Shall we go there to verify? Abi, shall we go there to verify if na lie or not be lie? So that the date when they start to collect, and if they cannot delete it. Because they don't know whether we'll get the copy of the thing. Now you can see Peter Tuna at the room. You don't know whether we don't snap or we don't get the copy or we don't get some things. When we tell whole life for hard. Why Peter Tuna at the room? Peter Tuna come outside now. Peter Tuna is running because he know what we are talking about. He joined Start to collect our money. That is the reason why Peter Tuna say, na Thomas Remes. Na Thomas Remes now go collect the money. How he not know? He said he did not collect money. How did Peter Tuna now know it's Thomas Remes that collects the money? Did you understand the parole? They said this Peter Tuna, the Tuna is there that collected the money. Okay, it's not Peter Tuna that takes the money. He did not know. It's that you ask me something. You take something. I said, no, I not take it. Me will not take something. How can they get idea of another person when he takes something? Is that not be juju be that? Peter Tuna told us I did not take the money. Peter Tuna was not telling me now that is Thomas Remes is the one that take the money. But for me, I block you. Bad woman, go for them. Oh, bad woman, kill your mama, kill your papa. They never know where on day. Peter Tuna said they made the comments. They never know where on day. I say if you go Nigeria today, I'll follow you. If you go tomorrow, I'll follow you. All eyes on you. Relax. You go no enter scatter till you buy. Oh, we are no enter scatter. Because you're picking and you're picking, but you see me, will be another person. When you temper, he has no boss wow. Where? He are cool boss wow. Peter Tuna, he are cool. If you go Nigeria, I say you relax. You go know whether all those two are the plan for bag go walk or you not go walk. You relax. Now this year you take go as so. Now next year you take go as. Just they wait. As they go, they follow you. Now worry, you're run now. If you want to run now, problem not there. Just they run. Just they run. If I bother with Benubel. Now he's running. Peter Tuna is now running. Where is he running? And you say you did not take something. How did you know that It's Thomas Wemers that collected the money. That is the Thomas Wemers innocent that building they use against us. Thomas Wemers is the person they use against us. In start answer, use against his son as well. Now it's not running. Try to say, you never know where you did. You never know where you did. Where? Now, our body will tell you. Please share this video. Give me love, guys. Shameless and useless man. 3 children when you bought 2. 1 don't die. The other one they craze. Grillo they craze for us. Peter Ituna sit down for Germany. His daughter they craze for us. Madman. Useless man. Madman. Your daughter is a mad for Nigeria. They pick the tea, they go, they eat, they go. You know they shame. Grillo as beautiful as that lady. He used those children to do society. Ogboni man. He became die. He sent the family made a God see a belly. Peter Ituna first son die kiss me. Peter Ituna sent the family to go and see a belly and pack all the ingredients. We don't know where the pack can go. We don't know where they pack ingredients and studies where they pack for the boy body. We don't know where they carry and go. Now Peter Ituna send them. Peter Ituna picky kiss me. He not pay Peter. Peter Ituna from abroad send message say, may they go open the picky belly. Before someone may they open belly, pack things for inside. Pack something. They don't know what they use and take duty today. After that one say, oh, still finish. His daughter, he see do one. His daughter the mad for Nigeria. That one not let her key. Grillo, her name is Grillo. Peter Tuna, that one not let Peter Tuna key. Now he pour madness for that one body. As we talk now, that one now the mad. Till tomorrow, till next year, you see, he did. Peter Tuna not care. Peter Tuna go Nigeria. He go they enjoy. They enter this thing. They found what they carry up and down. They enjoy. They go. Peter Tuna don't go Nigeria more than 5 times. Peter Tuna don't know whether that pikin exists. He live and for them make it the mad. Whether they tell us say that guy the mad or he go live long go, I don't know. Now make Peter Tuna not bother to treat that girl or to carry and make they pay for psychiatric, make they carry and cook as psychiatric. Peter Tuna did not care. Is that they tell Peter Tuna to as that guy is mad, he will be living long. I don't know. Because I see no reason why Peter Tuna first son died. He did not pay Peter. He sent his family to go and open the body of the son and pick things from inside. Till today, they don't know how they do this. They pick from the kiss the body when he died. Peter Tuna and I send the message. Second daughter, second pikin girl, Grillo, they mad. Peter Tuna no say, may carry and go psychiatric. He say, this psychiatrist is there, they pay small money, go where. Peter Tuna, they carry money, they give. The phone say, if they go native daughter, if they go juju, if they call pastor, if they call prophet. May wanna lie. Now, like society people money, they give money. Now, society people, if you go to Nigeria, society people go to me. Even the Oyibo woman use the matter to say, Peter Tuna bring voodoo from Nigeria. The day the Oyibo woman wanted to try Peter Tuna away, when we were not calling his son, say, Oyibo woman, one driver, Oyibo woman begin to throw Peter Tuna all that see, they throw a note for her side. She ain't no cash and Pikin will no help because they carry phone, they call it, Pikin say, Oyibo woman, they throw a note for her side. When they call us, when the son call the Oyibo woman say, why did they happen? The Oyibo woman say, voodoo when he see Peter Tuna see too many. Say Peter Tuna, that was 2022. Peter Tuna come from Nigeria and bring enough voodoo. Say he no fit. He don't know what they use the voodoo they do. Now you both thought this one, not the way talk about. One you both say he no go agree. Until Kara come outside, he go pursue Peter Tuna come outside. Allah, I bet if Allah bring juju paper come. Now me they say you break color. If Allah against you, Peter Tuna bring juju paper. If Oyibo did not drive you, pack your load out and said why? He said because you carry voodoo, you bring voodoo come for Nigeria. If they fear me, no call killer. When you cut us say na lie, say who is voodoo? Why they fear? Say now so he want poison you, but call the life for the Oyibo woman head. Say now so you catch and many times he be want poison you. I bet if Allah bring juju paper. I be not be to tell us say. Eke na shawo. Eke is a prostitute. Eke is a prostitute in Spain. That Eke, he sold his father's house and used it to go to club in Spain. Are you not the one that tell us? Are you not the one that say Kelly Idu is a ogio homo? That one will go no, but that one will go die us now. Say poor madness for a while, but this say that you help our bring children come and say no be talking. Now be you tell us say John are the most useless, lazy, idiot goat. When the wife they go walk or they feed. Now he they carry picky for us. Now he be where he call him? He said nanny. My people. Now be you tell us say John and nanny for us. Say wife now he they walk John and nanny. Now be you tell us say the useless Michael. Wait to say you be better person. Say na useless idiot. Say wife will go marry for Nigeria. Now you give her money. Now you go marry a wife for her. Say carry wife come finish it. You come because the bonbon and he goat at the end. You know how much they collect. You know how much they collect. If they collect shoe slag, if they collect kindergarten, you know how much be that. If they work, if wife say if they work, you know how much they work. When they buy house, when you call the cry say now the children money they take buy house. Say now 5 children when make a born now make a take buy house. Say now money government pay them, now they return back to government. Don't you talk. So you like that kind of life, now you useless when you man or you both are born for you. You can't see come up because of greedy, because you go for you both bare hand because that AK they dress, they go clothes, you can't say AK get money. And then now you take for trap when you fall put it today. AK not let you live. AK now the one you divorce now. You don't want divorce AK. And AK now say no they divorce you. Because AK say if you divorce you now he want pay you. AK talk and then they say no go ever divorce you. Eke say no get divorce, we want divorce you. He say only waiting go for video for come out now. Go rent another house. Leave you for the house. But you don't work. They say you useless. Send that house now they pay. If he come out, he go rent another house and then he go see they pay for the house. So now waiting make 12 and see they the same wolf. Say if they talk of useless idiot, say you useless. They the record when I record her. Say you can never change. You can never change. You have a bad spirit. Your daughter talking. Your wife talking. How you take useless? How the surely say you abandon her for his mother is the AK that was paying her kindergarten for you. The kindergarten was supposed to pay for Shuslan was supposed to pay for Shirley. Now AK called the payer for you. Shirley use the man tell us. What bro? Now you sit down where? Just they play. Me and you. You just said the matter goes. You call that and say, we are more. You call the beg, useless idiot. He called the beg, oh, only a idiot. I don't know me, I record you. Peter Tuna called the beg. I think he said last week for years. He the beg. You know, called was a robot. He called the beg is so. I beg. And we are more. We are woo. When you join and they do evil, you forget. Your picky fee forgive you. But you see me and you go dig down. Me and you, we go dig down. You see me beat. I me are been with me. Ako, imia. Boy, oh, I may not have when he again. Where got baby, make out your belu wepe. Obone joma mu gbokuta uhun wega muwenya pitatuna emenahi obone pitatuna ne joma mu gbokuta uhun wega muwenya egbe oma owe have your body uhu wa na old days now you take pack for 2 hands how boy when you use old days take knack for stone now old days you take pack and put for your head one you don't have send me when me now we were joining your German wife doing evil. Joining start as beg. Katiabo, you sent Katiabo to come and steal our children. You sent her. You told her that I did not go to school. Look at the Katiabo letter. The criminal useless Katiabo. Look at her. Her letter be this. I said I'll beat us. Look at her signature. You see her name there? Look at it. See her name? Katiabo. See her signature. Look at her office name. Man, that is a girl now. That is how they feel. Now I'm ready for now. I have nothing to lose. So tell me. Appointment on the 29th. On the 29th of March. Let me see. 29th of March 2023. At 12:30. Now they book appointment. So appointments now they book. So appointment. I just useless bastard. See telephone number, everything. See, Katia Harbord. See here. Katia Harbord. See. I write in name for my video here. I go do na so tell una body go tell them. Me I dey here. I don't know why they quiet. My social media must catch fire. Why am I hear me? Useless old man. When what man? How can you lose your first son? Your second daughter is mad. Okay, the last one that still remain, you will not have a pity man to say, oh, this one will cause still remain. Me, I even carry and come abroad. Peter Tuna did not care. He still come abroad. Peter Tuna forced his son to go to Germany. No, that is because Peter Tuna wanted to deport his own son back to Nigeria. Because Nigeria for the kid. Peter Tuna used the man to tell his own son last 2 months, citizen in Nigeria is so day, he go for dog by enemy. I was so shocked. That's the reason why if I see Asian people, I go the wonder, oh, if I told them, no believe. Asian people, fear them all. Fear Asian people. I'm telling you. Because when I see Peter Tuna and see, you don't believe me, oh. Papa will want make it deport, picking back to Nigeria. Because Nigeria for the night for the kid, the Nigeria for the poor madness for their body. So lucky is so queen no that come for Nigeria. Now Nigeria, the society people there, when they use against the children, it's like he use the children enemy. He use the 2 children to sacrifice, not be Benjamin. You know, get her for himself. Because Benjamin now escaped away and go to abroad. When Benjamin go to Italy, it's Peter Tuna that sent it to say make his son the come Germany. Not knowing that it was a way for it to deport it back to Nigeria. Now me make the never deport it before I can get document. Now me make the no fit deport. Peter Tuna when his son have document, he tell Papa was so angry when he get document. Peter Tuna, your body go complete this one so because this one not be waiting they tell me or and Benjamin call me tell me waiting my eye weakness. Then if I talk about Asian people, I don't understand. We are not like that too. No, if Pikin you also do something, you know say do something where Pikin don't even do anything. Papa or mama go your why they do evil. Now Asian body have for Sam Peter Tuna body. I'm telling you. If I tell you so I see Asian people see Peter Tuna see. If I see Asian people, and like this are they look them. Now me, if I see their men, see their women, and this are they look them. I don't know why. Because now the same thing. How can your blood? He tell the German woman to join her together with him to deport his own son. He used the man to tell me, use the man to tell his own son. After she now tried, not to succeed that year, he now opened it to say it in his mouth that he go deport all of us together with the children. This one when they toss it. This one. This is that one when they toss it. Oh, sorry. Sure, you said you have level, you have a passport. You said you have level, you get passport. Me, I don't get passport. You have level. You have a passport. Me, I don't get passport. But now your body go tell you. As you can't join Asberg, Richard Market. You think that you get Germany. No problem. All your up, you talk to them, so you take Asberg, Abi. Now you get Asberg. You go to join them, they do evil. You go to do evil. The one where you all see the plan now. You don't go do this, you don't go work, you don't go do this. We don't see no way on a poor body. But you see the one where you want share the disgrace go too much, huh? I don't want to talk too much. The disgrace we won't come for this one. This one a live video. Oh God. Oh God. This one a live video. Disgrace we won't meet you for this one. A live video before happen. Not be video, not be recording. Live video. Just they play. Stay Germany, not travel. Just they wait. Oswo. I don't tell you now. This is take was. Now next take was. Go and mark this video. I did. All eyes on you. Relax. Thank God the house where they build for Obedu 2, Abi Obedu 2, Abi Obedu 3. I go ask your son. Where the one way they say they build, and when they use my children money they build now. All of the way use that they build. No problem. Can't problem. Can't problem. Vice do. Can't problem. Send a German passport, you join your wife, they do evil. Me, I not get German passport, no normal document I get. But you see that normal document? You go shook pepper for you. If they born you well, now you go Nigeria, go stay Nigeria now. They fear. You get children and Michael they there and the rest other people they there now. You not go Nigeria. Since 2022 when they come when you take call 2023, you not go Nigeria again. Why? That's not. Why you not go Nigeria? What's happened? Wow. So you sabi do evil like this and be scared. Eh? All your hope, we don't know, Abby. We don't know. All the evidence how not take collect our money. How not take collect all the money. Everybody go tell you. All the criminal. People will see the talk, they will see open man see the talk. The most useless evil man. When you carry your pikin test at the shop, saying you family member, when they go collect the pikin tester. To them when I ask me that you use the tester. They ask me no. The Congress. She told them, we don't know what you use the picking tester to do. You don't know where you do. Please pull up on this video, guys. Pull up, guys. Pull up my people. Pull up my people. Pull up on this video. Everybody go say, you never know where you did. Just they play. Useless man. The only Aproko, the useless start Ansberg market. He shocked Unabi. He shocked them. That useless one when I block. You not gonna comment again. Well, the winner egg boy. You not gonna comment again. Whoa. All those useless people. When people go they talk, they walk on they talk nonsense. Oniara. Because they are evil. A bed with self, a bed with the self that flows together. Now all of them be. And they find something before John. Vitaituna. Now your record will be this. Your record. Me I save her. Today oh. I saw me save her Peter. P-E-T-E-R. I don't save her. See Peter. You see Peter, now record will be this 30 minutes. Today, oh, just dey fool yourself. Mike and Weje. You never know where you did. Where they Peter. You don't know where you did. If you know where you did. If you know where you did. Everything where you still talk today, all is on record. Now it be this. You see, if they see record for you. Now record the full year. You never see anything. You go know. Say kaki don't be leather. Peter, Peter, sharp cannon that is spreading me here. Bitte, schau kann ich seit mit dir. Was ist dein Problem, AK? AK, was ist dein Problem, AK? AK, was ist dein Problem? Yeah. I won't let you know, so you know they fool yourself. Show the year they take AK, what is that problem? What will be your problem? AK, the barrel should go to the Yara.
Wir haben keine Zeit für
To the Yara. Keine Zeit deine Problem. Ma idiot. Say. Show the hear your voice. I dey tell you. Oh, my madness. I dey record that. When I talk, say, when AK, the fool himself, I record that. Peter, I told you today recording, now they save yours, now forget to save her. You go cry me a river. You go cry. I mean, that not be your wife first. Yeah, plans, mommy, on beside you.
Entschuldigung, ja. Und für diesen Dreck, der da läuft im TikTok und so.
I mean, not be your wife voice be that. Now me wanna tell the play. Me una. See, Peter and his wife. Yeah, they say Peter and wife. You see here. Never know where you did. You. Yeah, your mouth. Thank God. Everything you see taught today, Peter Tuna. Everything you say today, everything you use your mouth to say today, everything for you to say is on record. Yes, so the one that you see when you were still begging is on record. Yeah. Let me go and look for that one as well. My me. Our body will tell you. Useless man. Please share this video. Give me love, guys. Very useless man. Only a right baby. And sorry the save and the follow, yes. And they sorry the player. They sorry the saver. May I save this one? This I don't save him. Peter Market. Oh no. Ah. Oh, Peter Tuna. Now body go tell you. I saw the Aragia. Shall we hear your useless wife for yours now? Yeah. Yes, me I saw the Aragia. Me I the transfer. I the transfer. So that way you shame my disgrace. So that may all the one when you see the traditional Asian, you speak English and Asian, they hear you. So that Obedu people and Ewohim, Obedu Braja people, all of you go they hear what you they talk. You never see anything. You never see anything. You see all those elder when they use all those Obedu elder. They go hear your record, you hear what you use your mouth to talk. Nah. By the time you go, they drag you. They play your record, they follow everywhere. Abroad here or Nigeria. Like all those one when I only say now. Now, Obedu people, or the elder for Nigeria. Now they go hear all those recordings. Tag on Aisha. Now you speak. Every 2 hours you take talk baba talk when you support. As you take talk if na Nigeria your pikin day, you go bam. He day with me. Now me will go plan. Make they hear what you use your mouth talk. Calm down. I the same that according to word when you talk. This one I wait you talk today now and I'll take savor with Peter. I told that if I they want the like the other one now, if I don't find it, if I enter that go see. You never see anything. Change a bit lie. Those a bit deny we don't jam away the lie. So that when they hear all those things, they go not say yes. You don't you believe bad and idiot fellow. Thank God they know your voice. Thank God they know your voice if they speak English. They know your voice if they speak English. Poor. Thank God not be German you speak. Now Isha, now you speak. And English. You are just a useless and wayward human being. Today on everything you see talk today, make water. The one way for say the beg her and see go find her. The best I say, the best not be this phone, I take record that one. The best not the other phone, I'll go bring her. When they say one I beg me, we I beg. May beg me beg me. You never see anything. May I not leave you for waste. And wow. For you not to know say I not be your picking. When I don't carry my problem, come meet you. I don't beg you for money. I don't say you give me money. I live my life. I did. You carry your problem, come meet me. I don't go leave you. I think inside this month, early this month, you were begging your son. You were begging your son to please beg me. You were begging your son as well, telling your son to beg me. Nah. Ubanu. Your record the day. I don't understand. I'll be once a year. If you want hear, I'll go find her. Not be this phone, the other phone. Tomorrow I'll bring and send and call here. Then I'll call plan for you tomorrow. Mewe. I said don't let Jamie no go reach. Go reach Bogona here. Let me and you dig. Go mark my words. Where? Mewe. Oh. You and your son fit settle on a matter. No concern me, I not be Isha. But you see me, I not be Isha. I not be your tribe. I not be Isha. I not go here for you to when me not type person. If you do me, I go do you. When you open I do me, I go open I do you. I not get forgiving heart. So as they beg your son feel this, that will not be my problem. But you see me, I can never forgive. I not get forgiving heart. I don't they talk a lot. Don't do me something you say you want to come beg go. I not the year I beg. Until I do you to my satisfaction. Anytime. Because so that me no probably do me something. Because if I beg, I go rest. They know they use I beg do me something. You know they my dictionary. When you open to do me something that you know when they do it to you, you will not take it. When you do it to me, I will not forgive. I will do you back. So now me at this Peter, Germany, Nigeria, or Bedu 2, Bedu 3, I go find you reach there. I don't understand. I don't understand. Me and you. Not be safe for maths. You must go swear. You call that palace. You go call Idore and Ilaje. You must swear. If I am lying on you. And why are you running for God's sake? Why is Peter Tuna running? When Peter Tuna know you don't collect my children money. Why Peter Tuna running for us not to go down and go and verify? In the room. And he's now using that to tell us that it's Thomas Vemes. Because we be baby. Our enemy don't guess this. So when we did not talk about this children money kindergarten, you did not tell us that take note to Thomas Vemes they collect on children money. Did you tell us? No. And then you say, you know use Thomas Vemes, you and your wife know use Thomas Vemes against your son. In nourish money not because we know, we not ask you. You are not saying no, not be you take care, you don't feel like, but now Thomas Vemes they go collect and you call they laugh. The record is there as well. Ready for day, so you know say that they collect our money. You not there among, you not there the crew. How you go take no say that Thomas Vemes for start Ansberg, go stay that building. They collect our 3 children kindergarten. So that question is very deep. You need to come and answer it. Not only you use matters and Thomas is going to collect another person not going to collect her. Are you not going to talk how you tell no? How you cut a fan and say Thomas Lemons? You're not going to tell us. You want to twist us away, thinking that it's Thomas Lemons that take the money, God punish you. Lie. They not tell us that Thomas Lemons take her. They say that it turned a name that he did it. So maybe now let your son they put to apply the money. Or that your useless barren wife collect the money. One of the two. And now he's not defending the German woman. Now that's something. Peter Tuna is not defending the German woman. Say not be collector. Who call collector? Who call the beer Tuna? We call collector. See today we not see collect money. But only what he call they do now wrong, he call they wrong. Now wrong, he call they wrong. And they call for you. Make them away. Now wrong, he call they wrong. So I may I check whether this video done this one and I want now I want me reach. Cut it out! I can't play your record. I don't feel shots. Now record they agree me to play. But that too now not be I get one I will play. Katiaba, 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 katiaba.
Leave me alone, please. I don't need any termine.
I can do this, but then you have in the month 750 euro.
Don't bother about the money. Is it your money? Don't bother about it.
This is social worker
I'm begging you now. Leave me alone. It's not by force to help somebody now. When you want to help somebody, somebody say you don't need it. We are in Western world. You don't force somebody on something. We are in Western world.
Okay. I say what you can do. Other come to me. Okay, I can make wie sagt man Vorschlag. Yeah, you can go to job center.
This is where this woman is forcing me. To call, he want to help me. Have you ever seen when social worker is forcing somebody because Peter Tuna sent her? So that's the reason why I told you that I'm a record, I love record. I can record anybody. If you like you be president, I'll record you if you the craze. If you the mad, I go record you. This social worker is start us by the name I wrote there at Harvard. Forcing me that I want to help me based on they don't tell her because I seized the letter that she wanted to use to steal my children. This is the lady. Katia Harbord, this is her. This is her name here. Katia Harbord. This is her telephone number. Email Bobo. Katia Harbord. Katia Harbord. Today is a social effort. Tomorrow is this. Tomorrow in an integration enemy wherever. Nothing we know what this woman they do. Nobody know the kind of thing what she they do. When I hear and they tell her something, how they understand. This you know.
And you can fill in these documents also. There, it's not a problem.
You are not the one that will tell me what to do. I have a new lawyer now. Okay? So you have put me what to do.
But you can speak with your lawyer, okay?
That is not your business. No, that one
is Chancenaufenthalt, okay? And then the lawyer, I think he will say you can get money for the kids now.
Don't worry, no problem.
You must not come to me for this.
I will do it myself. Okay. Thank you. Yes, I will do it myself. Yes, I will do it myself. Thank you.
I think it's possible you can do online in web. You can write Kindergeld. And then you can make a download for the documents and you can fill in self and then for family.
Because they know they will be collecting our children money. This lady, Peter Tuna sent, because it's Peter Tuna that sent this cat to Harvard to come and steal our children in the first place. It's Peter Tuna that sent her. Where this, they now know, this woman were not trying to block our kindergarten for me that want to help us. This is the Start Ansbeck. You can see their symbol. Useless, wicked city. Start Ansbeck. This is the city where this woman is forcing me to come. Where he's looking for a way to kill me. This is the Start Ansbeck. Evil city. Where he say, Evil city in Germany is start Ansbel and me talking. Osteda beyond the dead, they kill people. This woman wanted to kill me inside Osteda rat house. He wanted to kill me inside this rat house. They kill people here. He wanted to kill me here. When this place gets lost, me vote is written here. Me vote gets lost. The last night, yeah, me vote gets lost. This lady wanted me to come. I will play that recording. Here, you can hear she's still forcing me to come. She was looking for a way for me that want to help us. It's a lie. She was looking for a way to block our kindergarten for me that he wants to help us. No, I don't want to help us.
No problem. No problem. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Does not come to me. It's okay.
Thank you. All right.
Why don't you come to me? Why don't... Can you guys please ask this woman? Why is he saying you must come? You must come. Let me ask.
Thank you.
Yeah. You can make a download in internet.
You know the
and
podcast.
you can fill in the names of the kids and then you send Familienkasse.
No problem.
And you have the money.
All right. Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah. All right. Okay. Bye-bye. Now, me call her. This woman not ready to call her. Now, her name arrive for the Kate Arbord. Kate Arbord, the social worker on the PK start Ansberg. Is her name right there. Now, I record that they play. So, when I hear the other way, they force me. Imeni na. Imeni.
Hello. Hello?
This is why.
Hello.
Yo.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Hello. Here's Katja Howard. Are you here near in the office?
What happened?
Yeah, you have an appointment with me, and I'm not sure if you're here or if you're not here. You said in the last days you want.
You said the way she lied. He said I want to call if you are here or you are not here. This day, that is when you see it here. I send it to him. Me voc is closed. You can read it if you can read it. If you can see it, I don't know. Let me turn it to the other side. You can see it. Wednesday is me voc. That is what we call me voc here. Me voc is Wednesday. Gets closed. It's written here. Here. Here, me voc. Here, me voc gets closed. Gets closed. Me voc. This day that she's calling me, Osleda, Beholder, and Ratas is together. And Social is together. They close on Wednesday, they don't open. Based on I've caught this woman because of the bad letter she sent. She were not looking for a way to get my enemy down because she don't want me to expose them. Let me show you guys the letter before we come back here again. A little bit. You know, I told you guys the letter. They wrote it with biro, right? Come and see when she wanted to write this one. She didn't write it with biro. She wrote it with computer, right? She wrote this biro with computer and she signed. She wrote it with computer. Okay. This woman wanted to send me letter to sign. See what you used to write. This is the side of the letter. I told you she wrote it with biro. Did you see it? She wrote it with biro. Do you know why she wrote it with biro? Because Peter Ituna told her that I did not go to school. That I should write it with biro to send it to me so that I can sign. Take and sign this paper. I did is not all. I just always screenshot it and send it to somebody. This is the man I send it to. To help me. You can see it. I send it to somebody. To help me to check it. You see it? Let me show you the dates. This is February. Send it twice. Let me show you. Check the date. You can see 2021. 2021. You can see it here. You can see it. 2021. I don't show the letter in full. I just only screenshot the part. I just see what he wrote to me for me to sign. And this is not the full letter. because I have not shown the full letter so that people will know the bad name that they call the letter. I have not shown just the where he used barrel to write. That is when I screenshot. You can see it. This lady here that write this with computer, she's the one that wrote this. The first letter she sent it to me is write it like this for me to sign. So that when I sign, she will now use it to take my children enemy away. That is when the person that write me back, you can see, he now quote everything that is on the letter that I should not sign. He now write it that they want to take my children away from me. That is a bad letter. I have 2 witnesses. You can see, I send it to somebody. You can see it here. You can see our chat. You can see it. The voice note, I will send it to him. You can see it. You can see it. See it. Where the chat was, you can see the chat. You can see it. You can see the missed calls. Where she now see, he now is a man. Now say, no. See when I send it to him, you see it. Then now write it for me that no. You can see this is white. This is what he said for me. He now told me no. You don't have to sign. It's a bad letter. It's a bad letter. Collecting of children. Very evil letter. So because of that, they were not scared. Let me play it. Let me finish it. Because he was social worker. After he sent this one that I show you guys now with Barrow, that she wanted to use to take my children. That is the first letter I received from her. She write it with Barrow. Fill some part with computer. Did you know how she do it? Here, her address like this, her name was computer. He wrote this start Ansberg. He wrote my name here. Then he now scribe the rest. He now write the bad name of the letter like this. The evil name they call the letter. Release for confidential, blah, blah, blah. Students or whatever. He now write it with computer. The bad name of the letter, he now write it. Then he now cross the rest with normal this thing. That she can use normal barrel to fill. He's supposed to feed the rest like this as he feed this, like this with computer. She refused to feed like this with computer. He now fill it with barrel. And now put a place that I will sign, that Unta Street, that I should sign it. He now mark the place. Say sign here. That is the only letter. But when after I seize the letter, when she want to write this, he now write it with computer. They write it with barrel. With barrel and book. Okay. So after then, she was not scared because I refused to return the letter. That is when you now start hearing this call. Call to me. Call to me. Call to me. Call to me. That is when, please share this video, guys. That is when you now started hearing it. Yeah.
Hello. Hello?
Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Hello. Here's Katja Howard. Are you here near in the office?
What happened?
Yeah, you have an appointment with me, and I'm not sure if you're here or if you're not here. You say it in
the woman now 419. Yes, ma'am. Yes. All those calls and letters were to deceive me to buy my enemy. You can hear come. The first record I play doesn't come. This one, another one come. Now, so as they call me, now so they send letter. The reason why I did not bother to block her, I was recording her conversation, but she didn't know that I was recording her. So after I'm through, I'm done with her, I blocked her. Look at it. Mona here.
Last days you won't come, and so I take not a look in the meeting area.
I didn't tell you I'm coming, Katja, but
okay.
We don't have an agreement that I'm coming.
Yeah.
Today is closed. Today, me work is closed in the right house.
Okay.
He's there, he stayed there.
Okay.
Yeah?
You can come. I'm come here.
I said I cannot come, no?
That very day, you know what happened? I did quickly start to record. You can see when he picked the call, he kept quiet. First, somebody was talking to him that he did here. I hear it because when I picked the call, I first of all keep quiet. You understand? I first of all keep quiet. I didn't start record. I never start recording that time. And I hear what they say. He don't come as he did here. He can't take the vati. So the time when me don't hear that one finish, me come for say hello. When I go here, me I cannot go back. Wanna for understand?
Hello? Hello?
You know why I keep quiet? He want phone say na. He never he no say me don't pick up. In the phone I say okay na me pick up. Now me they say hello. When I pick the call, I did not talk. I hear somebody say, she is here. She don't come. Man, voice. Then she say, no, vate. As he call she say, me call they say hello. He call the phone say they busy. Now I say okay. Now I quickly put my phone for recording.
Hello?
They hear. Person they look for them.
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Now she call me.
Hello, here's Katja Howard. Are you here near in the office?
What happened?
Yeah,
You hear the question when you ask. Did you hear the question she asked? He said, are you here in the office? Because that is the question the person asked her. Is she here? He can't tell that one say, wait. So when you see her, after she said Katiabo, he said, are you here in the office? I don't say here, I will pay the time and say, she don't come. He don't say me here. After I don't hear, I now quickly put my phone for record. Now call say, hello. Now he back up pretend say, he the busy, no remember, say he call me the phone, say, he the do another thing. Before she call say, hello, Katiabo. Hell, oh, now you sense.
you have an appointment with me, and I'm not sure if you're here or if you're not here. You said in the last days you won't come, and so I take not a look in the waiting
I
area.
didn't tell you I'm coming, Katiabod. We don't have an agreement that I'm coming.
Did you hear it? When I constantly tell you say I dey come, all those are to force me to come. All those are to force me to come. This is the letter here. When she writes. This one that she called, so she sent the letter as well. I did not talk that I'm coming. You see the time she put? He put 2:30 an appointment. 2:30 appointment. Then she put 2:30. 2:30 appointment. Katia Abbott put for me to come. 2:30. The date to come is on the 29th. That day was on the 29th. On the 29th of March 2023. Look at the date here. See? On the 29th. Did you see it? I don't know if you guys will see it. After he said he was sending letters in the same letter, that's why they call. Why she now call, he think that okay, she don't send me letter. She is calling me for me to come. I don't mind her.
Yeah.
Today is closed. Today me work is closed in the right house.
Okay.
He's there, he's stayed down. Yeah? Mm-hmm.
He said, yeah.
Really?
He said, yeah. Then why are you not inviting me to come? That day is every day in Osteda building in Ansberg. They close every Wednesday. They put the signboard there. It's written here. When you go there, you see it there. Get close, move up. They know they open. Now they are front of door. They put us. So you can see inside. You can see here in front of door. They put it there so that every Wednesday know that they are not opening. Why this lady wanted to complete her mission? Because it's all of them. Oh, now all of them they charge. Oh, but they don't want to do it the day of working days with all the people because they think there's some party we know the support what they do. So the bad one inside the useless you get out in starters back and the rest. They don't want the rest to involve. This one you get out involved. Oh, you get out is involved. That they want to kill my enemy. But they don't want some party to notice what will happen. So they want to do it the day when they don't do it. So that if my enemy come miss or they call something to pat my enemy, they'll say not be there. I can't say, every me work is go slow. He's rich. He stayed there. He stayed there in the toy. Let me work get slow. Vogo me work get slow. This year. Not be here she come. Not be here she come. Now last she land. Another place she go. Then Osleda behold there. Start as bear ratas. We cover it up. That they will look for my enemy and look for. They don't go see my enemy. After all, they don't succeed. They don't cover. They don't succeed what they say that they don't call for children. Or the coffee call for my man. I don't go no. They don't see chance sky children. They go close it up. Nobody will know our enemy whereabouts. I refuse to go to any of their appointment and their territory. Now what is save me be alive to say the story today. I did not lose guard for them. Listen, guys, Mona here. If they thought this lady say they record them, she'll format her business.
You can come. I'm here.
I said I cannot come, no?
You do hear? You can come, I'm here. Can you help me ask this lady, what did I ask her to do for me? And why is she insisting for me to come? I don't have any business with her. I didn't tell her not to help me. You can hear why are you telling me to come? Because I know vividly. I don't tell you to help me. I don't tell you that I need help. I don't tell you. Don't tell me now so you get help when you want to do for me. Me too. I told you I don't want to see you. You help me ask her when you say, you can come. Ask me what you want to. He wants to kill me. The evil that is going on in Osleda Biode. Iratas Osleda Biode. Osleda Biode Ratas. Osleda Biode Ratas. Osleda Biode Ratas, they build together. Be very careful.
I don't have any business.
It's okay.
Yeah, okay. I don't have any
You're not
business.
here. It's okay. It's completely okay. It's not a problem. And I fill in the documents for the kids' money and I send you with post, okay?
I don't need
but you
it.
must
I don't need it. I don't need it.
The first recording I played, let me show you the day. The first recording I played was another day. This one I see play. So this first recording I played was on the 24th of March. This one is on the 29th of March. When person not tell the lie. You can see it here if you can see it. Did you see it? See it at the up. This is on the 29th of March 2023. You can see the letter here. Where person not tell the lie. On the 29th of March. Where person not tell the lie. See it? The same 29th. See it here. 29 March 2023. The same day after she sent letter they call. The same day I record this recording. On the 29th of March, she called because she have waited for me. You can see on the 29th of March. Did you see it? She insisted for me to come because he sent letter. I know the manner. She go send letter. Make her come. All is tell me. Which tell me put for you now? He put tell me 2:30. That be the tell me 14 something. 2:30. Now they did so see here. See for down here. 2:30. 14:30. On the 29th March 2023. You know, say me. I told you guys that anything that I say, I will be backing up with truth and it will prove an evidence. This lady wanted to buy my enemy. Oh God.
But please, you know what I told you last time. I don't know why you are pushing. Please, let me be, please. You told us last time your work is for integration and for house.
Yes.
When did you start writing letter for just letter for? I must go to office, Kataharbord. Any office I go, Kataharbord,
You can see me now. I want to be getting angry. Because you let me be, leave me alone for where come yeah. I was angry, yeah. What do you want to do with me? You leave me alone. Today she go say, hey, okay, no problem. Tomorrow go carry phone again. You go see send letter again. That is what Kataharbord and I wrote her name there, do me. He doesn't say, okay, no problem. Tomorrow, he go see send letter again. He go see call me again. Why I did not bother to block her because I was recording her. Because I don't see and say, this woman, in me business. So me too, I need to be serious. I start recording all the conversation. Amen, yo. I don't want to play everything on her just like that. I have plenty of it. That when you guys will hear, you know, go understand where they talk, they go. I just want to do it as I like for you guys to understand where I'm talking to, where I'm driving to. When I understand which how they try to talk. That is why I'm playing little. Don't get one day. I never touch her. Where for say this one break? This is just the Allah. This is just the small. One year. It's not a small one. We don't even start. We never even start.
Then in 2020, I don't know you. Please. Anyway, I go please, stop disturbing me to come. Please, you are provoking me. What is all this now? Come. What do you want to do with me? Last year, come. This year, come. Katabo, please, I'm begging you in the name of God. Please, let me be.
Yes, it's okay.
You hear her now? She does say, yeah, it's okay. Tomorrow, go see, send me letter, go see, call me. Oh, after I play this one, now I'll go play the first one I fair play. That one I was on the 20 or the 24th of March. Or the 29th of March. He still call me again. Or the 24th of March. He say, okay. No problem. After I say, not disturb me, say I don't need the help. Or the 25th or the 29th of March. After 5 days, he still call me, send me letter again. Now that's the sorting.
You sent a picture and so I thought you are here.
Why? Why will I be there? Why will I be there? It is closed. It's written there, me for case closed.
Yes,
I didn't go to that doesn't mean that I cannot read at all.
Okay.
You don't tire. Because person there, they wait. Now, so many times they go.
My office is not closed, but...
You do, yeah. He said, in your office, not closed. Say, but the administration, we're not here.
The administration is closed. And,
but I cannot, you don't understand English.
Administration. Okay?
Okay, you don't.
He said, it's not called the administration. Una de here. Because he want to force. If the thing is because I'm a strong woman, let us be no say, who do any I go collect. As they were preparing their office, I said I'm not going to go there. But when they come to my house, it's a police. Anybody when they come, I'm going to burn the person with hot water and pepper. When they force it on my house, immediately I hear anybody knocking my pepper, I will pour hot water and pepper. And because of the bad hot pepper that they call chili for house. Because I did not commit any crime in Deutschland. I did not offend anybody. Since you want to steal my child, I did not allow you. You want to try me. I went to buy chili pepper and hot water. Now I say, anybody that will bounce into my house, I'm going to pour it for head to toe. Echo. I said I could have break record the Statansberg. They go for no sin a person jam them. By the time I pour you hot water and chili pepper, hot chili pepper, you will not survive it now. You will go talk what you can do for my house. They were scared because they now knew that when they temper my house, they will not go scot-free. But me too, also when they were planning, the same thing they were planning, me too were planning as well. They were planning their office anytime I come, they are going to plan my enemy to do me what they want. Also me too plan when they come to my territory, I'm going to still do them exactly what anything I want, I'm going to still do them. They come see say me self already, I don't fear them. Then I was doing my life with the waka up and down, they hold my camera the whole internet. Me say, I will not have body the body go surplus. Till tomorrow now, today. Who do any, I will break record in Germany. Let me talk. Uncle, not be safe for but Allah. They did not go to court my house in Statansberg. They don't risk her. They don't risk her, but therefore, boss enter my house since they born the way. Even when my man leave us and come to other city to work, I was with children alone. Every night, I dey put water for fire. I know the stand. Not be all women that they do any. Me, I they do like man. I they pour water for fire. You go there for put for pot as if you want gas. You go the hot for them. Break my door, enter. The moment I know, I will first set live video. Pour you hot water and chili pepper. I don't get to know who that person is. They were not scared. They not go come my territory. Because when white people see that you ready to deal with them, they self go the home. They're not bothered. Only me with children were there. They not go come. I was waiting for them. But this I be person where they fear. Don't for come and they come notice my man. No, they don't do another city. Don't for bust my house all night. They're not trying. I say, the body go surplus. Before they go enter, I already did live video. They're not going to go.